Hey you guys, I don't need my tripod. I always start filming and I never have my tripod. Now we're a YouTuber. Hi guys. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. I've missed you guys. Did we fail at Vlogmas? No, because we did it and we tried and we got farther than we got last year. So I'm proud of myself. But yeah, I did not continue with Vlogmas, as you guys can see. I did pretty good though. I'm very proud of myself. But yeah, we're just gonna start over in the new year. Hey, yo, what's up? So it's Thursday night, December 30th, and we worked all day and we just took a little nap, and now we're gonna head to get some takeout. Dee's excited. Now we're gonna head to get some takeout, some Chinese inspired takeout, and I am so excited. We're getting so much food. We're both so hungry. We started watching Selling Tampa last night. Well, I finished it at work the other day, and then I put Dee on and I was like, you have to watch this. So I'm rewatching it because I'm actually gonna talk about it on my channel, doing like a get ready with me, because I love that show, y'all. So I'm obsessed. So I want to talk about it on my channel. I'm putting Dee onto it, so she's watching it. So we're probably gonna watch some of that tonight. Who knows? I want to watch A Quiet Place 2 at some point this weekend. That is one of my goals. And then yeah, we're just gonna get ready for the new year, and we're gonna do some filming. We're gonna just, you know, vibe out this weekend. We both have a 3-day weekend. So we've been super busy lately, so we're definitely gonna be taking it slow, bringing in the new year. We normally go downtown Nashville, but not this year because the weather and COVID, and it's just a lot happening. So I just wanted to come and start the vlog and start this weekend off and let you guys know what we're about to get into. We're about to head out. Do you guys see my shirt? Are you obsessed with it as I am? Clearly I got it from New York, being such a basic Betty, but I love it and it fits so nice. So I had this on all day, and I just threw on some black pants and some boots, my hat, and yeah, so we're just chilling. So we're gonna go ahead and get our food right now, and then I'll see you guys later. I'll show you guys everything that we get. So why not do an outfit of the night, even though I'm not fly? So like I said, Nike hat, I just threw on my Nike jacket. This is my New York tee. I love this thing. It's so comfortable, so breathable. The material is super, super soft, and I love it. Some black jeans and my boots. So that is what we're giving to run out and get food tonight. So we're out. Show you guys everything that we are having for dinner tonight. This is some fried dumplings. These are our donuts, so good. This is my shrimp lo mein that I've never had, like official Chinese takeout shrimp lo mein, so I'm really excited. I've been craving some noodles. This is just white rice, egg rolls, pork and shrimp. This is Dee's bourbon chicken, and this is my sesame chicken. So we're about to just, you know, kind of get a little bit of everything and get started because we are so freaking hungry. Good morning, everybody, and happy new year. It is 11:15 right now. It's literally January 1. We hung out last night. We just stayed in, so I didn't vlog anything, and you know, we just hung out, bringing the new year, just us two, had a few drinks, chill, didn't do the most. So I'm waking up. I am trying to wake up, but I am going to get us some breakfast, check the weather, and we're still under a freaking tornado watch. So I was like, let me go get us some breakfast, and so we can, you know, at least have something to eat. I do love living in Nashville, and I've said this on a lot of my Nashville videos before, but it rains so much here, and like we have storms and stuff all the time. That was something that I did not do. You know, I didn't do any research on Nashville before I moved here. I literally just, I came and visited, I liked it, and I was like, okay, I'm down. So yeah, but if I haven't emphasized it enough, and I'm gonna definitely do more Nashville content, because my Nashville content does really, really well. You guys seem to really like it. So I'm gonna do some more, but guys, like Nashville, it rains a lot here, it snows a lot, and I feel like I've said that before. I've said that in my videos, that it rains, it snows, and now we be having like tornadoes and tornado warnings. And it was just recently, because I feel like the first year I was here, it just like rained a lot. I'm gonna get some gas, you guys, and then I'll be right back. Quick rant, my car used to take like $25 to fill up. $30 now. I have an attitude about it.
Good afternoon and Happy New Year. I want to wish you a Happy New Year. How can I help you?
Happy New Year to you as well. Just to confirm, y'all are still doing the all-day breakfast for certain things?
No, we don't do all-day breakfast
anymore.
Thank you. Have a great day. I do apologize.
And pumpkin loaf.
I'm so sorry, we're actually all out of our loaves this morning.
Okay, perfect.
Okay, may I please have a number 5 with sweet and sour?
I'll be right with you, ma'am.
Oh, okay.
And no, I was talking to the lady in my window. I had to close my window. The wind was blowing everything.
Oh,
so
yeah.
You said a number 5 with sweet and sour?
Yes, please.
Okay, and what would you like to drink?
May I have a Coke?
Medium Coke. Yes, ma'am. Anything else?
Can you make that fry large, please?
I can.
And then also, may I have a number 1 with the large fry? And I'll do a Coke with that as well.
Do you want your Coke large on the number 10? Or I mean on the 10 nuggets?
No, it's fine.
Okay, medium Coke. I'm sorry, what was that last meal?
Oh, number 1.
With what to drink?
Oh, I'm so sorry. A number 1 with the Coke, and then just large size the French fry.
Just large the fries, gotcha. Yes, ma'am. Anything else for you?
Nope, that'll be it.
Okay, your total is going to be $17.90, and it'd be a pleasure to meet you at the first window.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh my God, they don't do the all-day breakfast anymore. Like, what is life coming to?
Total was $17.90.
Thank you so
You're
much.
very welcome. You have a great day, ma'am.
You too. You too, thank you. Good morning, you guys. So, yes, I have on the same outfit. Judge Judy, don't judge me. On the same outfit because I literally went and did one thing and came back home and took it off and relaxed for the rest of the day. So, it's Sunday, January 3rd, January 2nd. We're gonna go get our grocery pickup from Kroger right now. We have been trying to do grocery pickup for so freaking long, but they only had like evening pickup times available, and it's dark and it's just too much going on. So we finally got a morning appointment, and so we're gonna go get that. I do need to film some content today. I need to film at least 2 videos for Monday and Thursday. So Thursday's video could be anything, and then Sunday is gonna be this vlog. So I'm gonna vlog for the rest of the week. Or I might just vlog for the next few days and then start a new vlog on probably like Wednesday or something. And then we'll see what goes from there. That's about it. Just wanted to come check in with you guys. I'm also filming like a day in the life, a TikTok version. So I'm just kind of all over the place right now. But yes, I'll see you guys when we get to not Publix. Where are we going? Kroger. I'll see you guys when we get to Kroger. Hey you guys, so I'm what time is it? It's 4:42. I'm making some coffee. I'm making some of the Emma Chamberlain coffee. They come like this in these little steep bags, so I have 2 left. So I'm boiling some water on the stove and making the coffee. I am so like tired and I just want to go to bed, but I need to film, I need to clean up, I need to do so many things. So I'm making some water, some collagen water with my Vital Proteins collagen peptides and regular water. So I'm just gonna do like a scoop like this. And then just stir it up. And it literally does not have a taste. This one's almost gone. So I will be buying some more. I really like this stuff. Please check with your doctor before you intake any type of supplement or anything, but I have been taking that. I try to do at least 1 glass of water a day with 1 full scoop. Sometimes I'll do 2, but definitely 1. And it's definitely been helping my skin. Like, my skin has been glowing. I'll insert a picture here recently of a picture that I took outside in the sunlight, because that is the true test. And my skin looks amazing. So I definitely have been enjoying it for those reasons. Also, I've been being a little bit more consistent on my skincare regimen. So I think all of those together have been helping my skin. And yeah, that's about it. So I'm about to make this avocado toast, get some energy. I want to do like a power hour. Like, I just want to like go ham for an hour, cleaning, getting things ready for tomorrow, or just in general getting things ready for this week. I'm going to be redoing like my kitchen counters and my bathroom counter and stuff, so I need to like kind of make some plans about that, all types of stuff. So yeah, I'm going to drink this, do my avocado toast, and I'll see you guys later.